welcome to the BIM methodology workshop. It's a great pleasure to be here with you to talk about a subject that I'm so interested in, and I'm sure this subject will be very, very important throughout your professional life as civil engineers. Well, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Caroline Figueiredo. I'm Brazilian and I'm a civil engineer, and I have a master's degree in environmental engineering. Nowadays I'm doing my PhD course, and my research since my master's is related to sustainable construction. So my study is about to discover alternative construction methods and alternative materials that are less damage to the environment. But at this moment, I'm using a methodology named Life Cycle Sustainability Assessment, LCSA, that aims to analyze not only the environmental impacts of the building during its whole life cycle, but also the economic impacts and the social impacts of the building. So I think you can imagine that I have to work with many kinds of information at the same time. I have to deal with qualitative data and quantitative data at the same time, and I have to analyze environmental aspects of the building, economic aspects, social aspects. So that's why I decided to work with the BIM methodology. You will see during this workshop that BIM can help us to deal with different kinds of information at the same time, because when we develop a model in a BIM software, this 3D model is a centralized database that have different kinds of information. So your model is a database that you can use to perform simulations, building analysis. So it's so interesting in my research, and I think it will be interesting for you too during your professional life. So I've been working with the BIM methodology since 2016, and I hope that in these 9 hours that we will spend together over the next few days, I can show you the main characteristics of the BIM methodology and discuss why this methodology is so important nowadays for the construction sector. But I also hope that you leave this workshop being able to design a whole project and to model a building in Autodesk Revit. As Anna said earlier, it will be the software that we will use during this workshop. So my idea is to model a building with you from start to finish, and I want to show you not only the modeling tools in Revit, but also other important features of Revit, like how to generate automatic schedules. For example, we will generate the takeoff materials schedule about our project. We will analyze the budget of our project in Revit too, and we will understand how we can perform simulations, building analysis, and so on, because there are many possibilities, many possibilities in Autodesk Revit, okay? So we have a lot of things to discuss today. I hope that you enjoy this workshop. I prepared this, it was a great pleasure for me, and I'm so happy to be here with you today. So feel free to ask anything you want during the workshop, during the class, okay? Use the tool on Blackboard to raise the hand and ask anything you want. I hope that you enjoy this workshop and you can learn how to use the software, understand the theoretical part of the methodology, okay? So let's start. I will share my screen with you to show the presentation, okay? Is everyone listening to me well? Yes? Yes, okay, thank you. So